A sell-off in U.S. regional bank shares triggered by loan fraud allegations drove Treasury yields lower and contributed to the dollar's soft tone. Fed Governor Christopher Waller endorsed a measured 25 basis point rate cut at the October FOMC meeting, citing tame core inflation and temporary tariff pressures, while signaling further reductions towards a neutral rate of 2.75% to 3% if labor softens and inflation stays anchored, aligning with Chair Powell's warnings on employment risks. Governor Stephen Moran pushed for a bolder 50 basis point cut amid U.S. China trade flare ups, expecting housing disinflation and milder tariff impacts. A Deutsche Bank survey revealed widespread concerns over Fed independence, with 62% of respondents seeing a meaningful loss as somewhat or very likely, amid news that Treasury Secretary Bessent narrowed Fed chair candidates to 5 finalists for post Thanksgiving presentation to President Trump, accelerating a regime shift prioritizing fiscal expansion and debt stabilization over short-term inflation control, potentially underpricing 2026 rate cuts. Upcoming U.S. data includes September housing starts and permits, plus import-export prices pending government reopening. In Europe, French PM Le Cornu survived no confidence votes, boosting budget passage odds despite deficit risks, while weak German ZEW data kept euro-dollar gains dollar-tied. Meanwhile, Trump-Putin talks in Budapest could end the Russia-Ukraine war and give the euro a further boost. U.S. credit jitters boosted yen haven flows, and BOJ Ueda has kept rate hike options open for late October, citing trade risks as Secretary Bessent hinted at yen normalization pressure. Japan's Sanai Takaichi nears prime ministership via LDP-JIP coalition by Monday, promising fiscal continuity and moderate yen weakness, though skeptics doubt her debt-laden expansion plans amid fragile alliances. Australia's unemployment hit 4.5%, a near four-year high, adding 15,000 jobs, but fueling 70% odds of an RBA November cut, pending Q3 inflation data on October 29th. Aussie dollar bulls fed dovishness for upside, with Antiponians most trade sensitive, but a base case Trump-Xi APEC truce by November 10th, likely extending tariff relief, would reboost the Australian dollar. That's all for now.